कंप्यूटर टोमोग्राफी फॉर टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट कंप्रिहेंसिव टेक्स्ट बुक है बाय लुइस ई रोमन्स। फर्स्ट चैप्टर है बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सीटी और ये हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सीटी कन्वेंशनल रेडियोग्राफ्स और सीटी में कंपैरिजन किया गया है। Conventional radiographs depict 3D object as 2D image. Major limitation of CR overlying tissue being superimposed on the image. Computer tomography scanning thin sections of the body producing images of each cross section. Another limitation of CR inability to distinguish between two tissues with similar densities. CT allows differentiation between tissue of similar densities. Advantages of CT over CR: elimination of superimposed structures, differentiate small differences in density of anatomic structure and abnormalities, superior quality of the image. Terminology: tomo, cut, section layer, Thomas cutting. Computerized method is used to obtain data and transfer them into cut cross-sectional slices of human body. First scanners, limited in the way in which cuts could be performed. Early scanners produce axial cuts that slice look like ring of a tree. Older scanning system, computerized axial tomography, CAT scan. Newer model scanners offer option in more than just the transverse plane. Word axial dropped from current CT. CAT now computerized assisted tomography. Preliminary images, topogram Simon Scott, Gee Healthcare, scanogram Toshiba. Continuous acquisition scaling, spiral Simon, helical Gee Healthcare, isotropic Toshiba. CT image quality, spatial resolution, the ability of a system to define small objects distinctly, low contrast resolution to differentiate on the image objects with similar densities, temporal resolution, speed that the data can be acquired, important to reduce or eliminate artifacts results from object motion, hard imaging. CT defined. CT uses a computer to process information collected from the passage of X-ray beams through an area of anatomy. The image created are cross. The thickness of the cross-sectional slice is referred to as z-axis. The individual CT slices show only the part of the anatomy imaged at a particular level. Example: sternum scan show lungs, mediastinum, ribs, but not show kidney and bladder. CT required knowledge of anatomy and understanding of location of each organ relative to others. CT slice represents specific plane z-axis, thickness of the plane slice. Selecting a slice thickness limits the X-ray beam so it passes only through the volume, hence scatter radiation and superimposition of the other structures are greatly diminished. Limiting the X-ray beam is accomplished by mechanical hardware resemble small shutters called collimators. Collimators adjust the opening based on the operator selection. Element. Data from the CT slice are further sectioned into elements, width represented by X, height represented by Y. Pixel picture element. Each of these X and Y 2D square is a pixel. CT image. A composite of thousands of pixels create the CT image that display on the CT monitor. Voxel volume element. If the z-axis is taken into account, the result is a cube rather than square. This cube is referred to as voxel. Matrix grid formed from the rows and columns of pixels. CT most common matrix size is 512. 512 rows of pixel down, 512 columns of pixel across. Total number of pixels in a matrix. The product of the number of rows and columns 512 multiply 5 multiply is equal to 262 144. Outside parameters of square is constant. A large matrix size that is 1024 will contain smaller individual pixels. Each pixel contains information that the system obtained from scanning. Beam attenuation. The structure in CT image are represented by varying shades of gray. Its creation is based on basic radiation principle. Photon X-ray beam consists of bundles of energy called photons. May pass through or redirected scattered by a structure. May absorbed by given structure in varying amounts depending on the strength, average photon energy of the X-ray beam and characteristic of structure in its path. Attenuation the degree to which a beam is reduced. Conventional screen film radiography. The X-ray beam passes through patient body and exposes the photographic film. CT the X-ray beam passes through the patient body and recorded by the detectors. The computer then processes this information to create the CT image. Quantities of X-ray photons pass through the body determines the shades of gray on the image. Low attenuation. By convention, by convection, X-ray photons that pass through object unimpeded are represented by black area on the image referred to low attenuation. High attenuation. X-ray beam that is completely absorbed by an object cannot be detected. The place on the image is white. An object that has the ability to absorb much of the X-ray beam is often referred to as high attenuation. Area of intermediate attenuations are represented by various shades of gray. The number of photons that interact depend on thickness, density, atomic number. Density, mass of substance per unit volume, degree to which matter is crowded or concentrated. Example, packed tightly packed snowball has higher density than loosely packed one. Dense elements high density, those with high atomic numbers having many circulating electrons and heavy nuclei and provide more chances for photon interaction than element of less density. Single X-ray photons passing through an object, the more atom in its path, greater the object thickness and density, the more likely that an atom in the object will interact with the photon. The more electron, neutron, and protons in each atom, the higher photon interaction and attenuation. The number of photons that interact increases with density, thickness, atomic number. Linear attenuation coefficient. The amount of X-ray beam that's scattered or absorbed per unit thickness of the absorber is expressed by linear attenuation coefficient. Represented by linear attenuation. Representation of linear attenuation coefficient Greek letter mu. Example, if 125 kVp X-ray beam is used, the linear attenuation coefficient for water is 0.18 centimeter. 0.18 per centimeter means about 18% of the photons are either absorbed or scattered when the X-ray beam passes through 1 centimeter of water. लीनियर एटेनुएशन कोफिशेंट ग्रेटर होगा तो फोटोन एनर्जी भी ज़्यादा होगी. लीनियर एटेनुएशन कोफिशेंट ज़्यादा होगा तो एटॉमिक नंबर और डेंसिटी भी ज़्यादा होगी. इफ़ के वी पी कॉन्स्टेंट लीनियर एटेनुएशन कोफिशेंट ग्रेटर होगा then it will be for lung tissue. Bone attenuates more X-ray beam than lungs, allowing fewer photons to reach the CT detector, result in an image in which bone is represented by lighter shades of gray than lungs. Differences in linear attenuation coefficient among tissue are responsible for X-ray image contrast. In CT, the image is direct reflection of the distribution of linear attenuation coefficient. For soft tissue, the linear attenuation coefficient is proportional to the physical density. The value in CT image are sometimes referred to as density. Metals. quite dense and have greatest capacity for beam attenuation. सर्जिकल क्लिप्स मेटेलिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं वाइट एरियाज पे। एयर और मतलब कि गैस जिनकी जो डेंसिटी होती है वो लो होती है, लिटल एटेन्यूएशन को कैपेसिटी होती है। एयर फिल स्ट्रक्चर्स जैसे कि लंग्स, तो वो हमें जब इमेज होगा उसमें वो ब्लैक एरियाज होंगी। डेंसिटी डिफरेंस टू डिफ्रेंशिएट an object on a CT image from adjacent object, there must be a density difference between the two objects.